All right, so you're having a problem here with finding the max, the dimensions that give you the maximum cross-sectional area. So we're actually going to take the equation that's given here that you found, plug it into desmos.com. So I went ahead and did that. I just used x and y, and then you just want to restrict the domain to be between 0 and 2, essentially. All that can be done up here with this. I just changed my x values to be this and my y values up to 500. But then you just click on the graph at the very top and it tells you what the angle is that actually gives you the maximum area. So this is the maximum area, this is the maximum angle that gives you that maximum area. So going back to here and looking at the original image, we have this angle that's the same angle that we just found that gives us the maximum area. And the angle happens to be pi over 4, which is the 45-degree angle. So a 45-degree angle on a right triangle means that this other one has to be a 45-degree angle, meaning that this is actually going to be a square, not a rectangle. So that means the depth and the width are going to be the same. To find that value, I went ahead and I used sine of theta equals opposite over hypotenuse. The theta we were using is pi over 4. The hypotenuse actually is given to us is 28 from that. So then I would plug in 28 for hypotenuse, and I solve for the opposite side. The opposite side ends up being, I replace opposite with y. And so plugging that in, you get this graph. So then the y value is the answer. So 19.97 or 19.799 or 19.80 because I want you to round into the nearest second decimal. 2 decimal places, so 19.80. So hopefully that helps.